In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change vibration on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off head over to settings and then tap at sounds and haptics. On that page, if you want to change vibration on ringtone, get into ringtone and then at the very top you can easily find vibration. If we get into it, we'll be able to choose any vibration from that list, or also we can create custom one by hitting at create new vibration. Also, right there we can select none to turn off the vibration on ringtone. The same about text tone. We can get in the text tone, then vibration, and right here you will find the same options. If you want the phone to vibrate a little when you press the keyboard, you need to turn on keyboard feedback. You can easily find it at sounds and haptics. If you get into it, you can choose what exact haptics you want to activate. You can turn on or off sound and haptic. If you want to play haptics in ring mode or silent mode, you can turn on or off that switchers. So let's say we want to turn off vibrations on silent mode, all we have to do is just tap at that switcher. That's how you can easily change your iPhone vibration. And now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.